Today we will learn how we can create a QR code for any app that's available on Play Store or App Store. So anybody can scan the QR and download the app easily without any friction. To do it, simply visit the following website qrgenerator.org. Then click on Create Dynamic QR Code. Here you need to have an account. I already have one and I am logged in already. On the left side bar, look for the QR codes option. Here, click on it. Next, click on Create QR button. On the following screen, you need to add the QR code details such as QR code name. Choose the domain of your choice. Then scroll down and make sure to choose the correct type, which is Application Dynamic QR. Here you need to add links to App Store, link to Google Play, and link for others. For the demo purpose, we will use Google Photos app. On the Google Play, click on Share button to copy the link of this app. Go back and paste this link under Link to Google Play. For App Store, you can copy the app link from the search bar. Go back and paste it under Link to App Store. For Link for Others field, you can repeat the link from Google Play. The QR code is now ready. There are a bunch of customization options such as templates, colors, and logo. You can add any if you want to. We will keep it simple. Now, click on Generate QR. The QR code has been generated. It's time to download it. Click on Download and download it in your desired format. Now the QR code is ready. It's time to test it. So anybody who scans it on iPhone will be redirected to App Store, while anybody who scans on Android device will be redirected to Google Play Store. So this is how this QR code will work dynamically. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe.